Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 25, How to Change Settings in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about the dashboard's settings option. We'll see step by step how to change your settings. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to the settings option. Here you've got General, Writing, Reading, Discussion, Media, Permalinks, and Privacy Settings. Select this General option. So from here, you can edit General settings. You can edit site title or tagline, and it will be updated automatically on your site. Go to your site homepage and hover it on the tab, and you can see title and tagline here. Scroll below, and you can change more settings like About Your Membership, Default Role of New User. You can also change your site language or time zone. You can also change your date format like it is showing in this post. Select your date format and time format. Next, choose when you want to start your week. After making all the necessary changes, take a look once. Then click on this Save Changes button. Now your changes have been made and you can view them on your site by refreshing it. So here it is showing a new site tagline. Next is Writing option in the settings. Click on it. Here you can set your post category. On your site, post category is displayed on top of the post title like here. So you can change your post category from here. Choose your desired category and then post format. You can choose any format from this drop-down list. Inside Posts, when you click on Add New option, you will see Standard Post Format. But some themes maybe don't have this option, so maybe you just look something like this with its default status, visibility, and publish settings. You can edit each one of them. This is your writing settings, and it can be changed from this writing sub-option in the settings. Go back to the writing, and you'll see next is Setting Default Editor. You can choose Classic Editor or Block Editor, and then an option of switching editors. A little below, you'll see your mail server settings with your login name and password. Then, your update services that will get a notification every time you publish a new post. You can learn more about it from this Update Services link from here. Let's move to Reading in Settings. Here you can set what to display on your homepage. Like on our site, we have displayed posts on our homepage. If you change it to Static Page, and then you need to select what pages you want to display from here. Next, you can set how many blog pages you want to show at most. You can set the numbers accordingly. Then set the number for the syndication feeds Show the Most Recent. You can select to display a full article or a small summary. Then Search Engine Visibility. Do not select it to gain search engine rankings, and then click on the Save Changes button. So here we have set only 2 blog pages at most. Go to your site and refresh it. And you can see it is showing just the 2 posts here. If you change it to 1 and click on Save Settings, you can see on site we have only 1 post. So let's change it back to the original 10 and save changes. Next, click on Discussion. Here you have default article settings, then other comment settings. You can change comment settings like users must be logged in to comment, or show comments cookies opt-in checkbox, or comment author must fill his name and email address. Then your email settings. It includes when you want to receive emails regarding various activities. Like for comment moderation, below you can set criteria for it. A little below, we have Avatars settings, which avatar you want to choose for your profile. Choose your desired avatars. On your site, open a post, and below you can see the comments section. So select an avatar, like this Gravatar logo, and click on this Save Changes button. Then go to this comment option. This is empty right now as we don't have any comments. Now back to settings. We will choose media. We will set media for our site. So this is the media settings page. You can set images size below, set height and width of thumbnails, then set medium size and large size dimensions. Then select this option of organizing your uploads into months and year-based folders, and save your changes. Next, go to Permalinks option. Here you can change your links settings. Day and name is selected, which shows links will be with day and post name. You can select just post name, or you can custom your link structure. So right now we have day and name link here. Open another post, and it's the same. So we have selected this post name, and we will click on this Save Changes button. On your site, go to the home page and open any post. On the search bar, you can see the link is updated to post name. The last one is privacy. Click on it. Here you can change your privacy policy. You can select an existing page which you want to use as your privacy policy. Select the page. You can go to All Pages from Pages, and here you can see we have a privacy policy page. Choose Edit and publish the page from this Publish button. Click on View Page, and you can see our page is live on our site. So this is our privacy policy page. Back to Privacy option. Here you have an option to create a new page. You can create a new page from here or use an existing one. So that's pretty much everything with the WordPress settings option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create a contact form in your WordPress site. See you in the next video.